All right, the next type of solving exponential equations is when you're using inverse properties. So in this case, you'd be taking the log of both sides. So here is example C. Oops, nope. Example C, there we go. So if you have 4 to the power of x equals 5, first thing you always want to look for is, are they the same base? In this case, no, they're not. So you're going to take the log of both sides. Now in this case, and on your homework, I suggest just using your common log, which is technically base 10, just to keep it a little bit more simple, because that's what your calculator automatically does. So if you have log of 4 to the power of x equals log of 5, then using your power rule, bring that x to the front. So you end up with x times log of 4 equals log of 5. Then you want to get x by itself, so divide both sides by log of 4. So then you end up x equals log of 4, or log of 5 divided by log of 4. Now, this is when you will actually need to use your calculator. And so let me pull that up real quick. Okay, so in order to find what log of 5 divided by log of 4 is, so find the log button on your calculator. It's right below the x squared. So log and then of 5, always close the parentheses. I don't remember if on the older calculators it has that, but just make sure you close the parentheses if they're there. And then divided by log of 4. And so my suggestion is don't round until the very end. And I believe on your homework it will ask for the thousandths place, which is 3 decimal places. So in this case, you get 1.161. So that would be your approximate answer. So x would end up being approximately 1.1, what was it? If only I could remember. 1.161. So that's how you would do that. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to example D. So example D says 7 equals 4 to the power of x minus 4. So x minus 4 is all in the exponent spot. So your bases are not the same because you have 7 and 4. So you end up taking the log of both sides. So log of 7, and remember that's base 10, it's your common log, equals log of 4 to the power of x minus 4. Now, your power property says, I don't know what happened there. You can bring that out front. I don't know why this is being slow. What is happening? Sorry, let me try that again. So your power property says you can bring that out front here. So then you have log of 7 equals x minus 4. I always try to put that in parentheses because you need to remember that the whole exponent is coming out to the front and it's all being multiplied by everything else left over in that log. Well, I don't know what happened there. Okay. Log of, I don't know what happened. Okay, log of 4. Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties. All right. Why is this happening? One more time. We'll try it again. Log of 4. Okay, now to get this by itself, because we want to eventually get x by itself, to get this whole x minus 4 by itself, because it's all being multiplied, divide both sides by log of 4. Okay, and then the log of 4 on the right side cancels, because log of 4 divided by log of 4 is just 1. So you're left with x minus 4 equals log of 7 over log of 4. So I'm going to see what log of 7 divided by log of 4 is first. So let's go to log of 7 divided by log of 4. And that looks like it is 1.40, and we would round that to 1.404. So we're going to say this right here equals approximately 1.404. And all of that equals x minus 4. Then your last step to get x by itself is add 4 to both sides. So you end up with 5.404 equals x. All right, let's go to your next one.